morning or good afternoon, my third farmers. Last video I spoke about mores and norms, laws, etc. Today I'm going to explain you what they really are and give examples. Now, according to the two authors of modules in social studies with the SBA guide, a book written for students, norms are categories of unwritten rules in a group. That's what norms are. Now, norms are passed through normally from older persons to younger persons through socialization. That's how that takes place. So an example of a norm is greeting a friend with a hug. It's an example of a norm. Saying good morning, good afternoon, or good night is a norm we use towards each other as well. And the norms also has penalties for not complying with them or obeying them. So that's norms. Now mores, which is M-O-R-E-S, are norms that pertains to moral behavior. Now you know morality, moral pertains to what is right and what is wrong. So if you believe in something that is wrong, you will not do it, so you have morals. Now some mores are unwritten and others are laws. So examples of mores are you do not steal, you do not murder. These are laws too, but they're actually norms. Now we also have another one, which is another example of social control, because norms and mores are examples of social control, as I told you before. We have folkways, and that's spelled Folkways. Now these are cultural traditions that are observed by members of society. For example, wedding ceremonies and birthday celebrations are examples of folkways. So just think about any kind of celebration, any carnival. And now we have laws. Laws are rules that are made by the legislative branch of a government. And laws have functions. Now, laws force compliance, which is obedience. Number two, they can compensate victims of a crime. So for example, if someone died wrongfully, you could sue or whatever. Due to a crime, you could sue. Number three, laws also maintain order and peace. And then number four, they also discourage. The big word for that is deter people from committing crimes. That's what laws can do. And number five, they ensure justice and equality of treatment. That's what laws can do. That's their functions. They have five of them. So students, I have gone through what are norms and mores and folkways and laws. And as usual, there is an assignment based on today's video. Good luck on it. And thanks for listening, my third farmers.